Hi mathematicians, in this video we're going to learn how to write an equation that models area of squares. So remember, the area of a square is equal to the side squared. So an example of this type of question is, a square garden has sides of length 2m plus 3 and an area of 121 feet squared. Write an equation to model the area of the garden. So this is an example of what that garden might look like, right? We have a square garden. Now it's hard if we look at this big picture, so we're going to abstract and we're just going to put in a simple square. Now I want to label the square. I know the sides of the square are 2m plus 3. And I know my area, or the amount of space inside, is 121 feet squared. So if I'm going to write my equation, I'm going to use this. So I have A equals side squared. So now instead of A, I'm going to put my area, 121. And instead of S, or side, I'm going to put 2m plus 3. And I need to still have the squared. So that is an equation. We could leave it like that. But in order to solve it, we would have to multiply this out. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember, when we have squared, that means we write the same thing 2 times. So our equation becomes 121 equals 2m plus 3 times 2m plus 3. Thinking about our old area model for multiplying binomials is really helpful here. In our old area model, we were drawing squares. So we put 2m plus 3 on the top and 2m plus 3 on the side. Again, remember, a square has the same thing on all sides. Now if we do 2m multiply 2m, that's 4m squared. 3 multiply 2m is 6m. 2m multiply 3 is another 6m. And 3 multiply 3 is 9. We circle our like terms, 6m and 6m both have m and no exponent, so these are like terms. 6m plus 6m is 12m. So if we put them all together, we have 4m squared plus 12m plus 9. And that is equal to our area of 121. So that is an equation that models our area. Good luck with the next question.